Greetings. Here I'm going to be demoing a jam light. So in this application, an output will come from either PLC, an MDR controller, or a photo eye that will tell the system, in this case the system is our smart light, that we have a jam. Or it could be the system telling us through an I/O module, an MDR, or something else that we have a jam. What we want to happen is when we see a jam, we let the light know. The light will do nothing, in this case for about 5 seconds. After 5 seconds of continuous input, it will go solid red. And then after about 60 seconds of that, we'll get a flash and an audible. So really this is jam indication for the operators. So if they see the red light, to come clear it. And if they don't clear it fast enough, then we'll get an audible to get more attention to it. So this is my sensor input. So I'm going to bring in my sensor or my output. And if we just go for a few seconds and we don't hit the 5 second mark, then nothing happens. The jam is cleared, nobody knew anything. This could be just a slow moving package or something that gets stuck for a moment and then freeze up. But now we'll have the jam for 5 seconds. The light turns on. So if anybody's paying attention, they can come clear the jam and the light goes off. But if the jam does not get addressed, then we'll go for 5 seconds here. Now we've got solid indication. For demo's sake, I maybe should have done this shorter than 60 seconds. So I need to fill some time here with just enough cadence. You can fast forward this if you would like. I don't like the dead air, but 60 seconds is a long time when you're not really doing much of anything. So what should we do at this time? Probably ponder life. What are some of the choices that you're glad you made? What are choices you regretted? What are choices you regretted at the time, but turned out to be a positive thing in the grand scheme of life? You know, there's a lot you can do with a minute, and it's probably a healthy mental exercise so that you can reflect. Oh, there we go. So now we've got the flash and the annoying beep that will come get some attention. To clear it, all they need to come do is move the jam. The jam is now moved, output goes away. Now we're back again. Another jam happens. Give it 5 seconds, we'll go solid, and then they can clear it. So simple way to communicate to the floor, the warehouse floor or factory floor, that something needs to have some attention drawn to it without having to do any extra PLC programming. Or if you're checking that in your PLC, you can also then bring attention to the floor to clear it as fast as possible for reduced downtime and reduced package buildup. So anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for reflecting on life, and have an amazing day.